Hope you all are good. So, today we are going to start our part 2 of natural resources. In part 1, we have discussed about what do you mean by resources, types of resources, yes, and we already learned that what do you mean by natural resources, correct? So, in part 2, we will learn about classification of natural resources. So let's start our today's topic. Okay student, so natural resources can be classified on the basis of renewability, development and use, origin and distribution. Let's understand about renewability. Okay students, so on the basis of renewability, natural resources can be classified as renewable resource and non-renewable resources. So what do you mean by renewable resources? You can understand by the name renewable resource, yes, which can renew again, replenished again. The resources like sunlight, yes, our water, our air, it cannot finish, yes. So renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Examples are solar energy and wind energy. It will not finish at all, yes. So we can use again and again. Non-renewable resources, students. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished again. Yes, examples are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Students, are fossil fuel. Yes, it's our non-renewable resource. When we will finish it, it takes thousands of years to renew again. So we have to take care of it. Yes, so our fossil fuel is our non-renewable resource. I hope you understand properly what do you mean by renewable resource and non-renewable resource. It can be renew again and these resources cannot be renew again. Okay, this is our next topic. So on the basis of development and use, our natural resources can be classified as potential resources and actual resources, students. So potential, with name you have to understand, which has potential, yes, which has capability. Okay, the resources which has capability or potential. Okay, but with the lack of technology, we cannot use their potential now. But with time, yes, in future, with new technology, we can use their potential. Yes, we can use these resources properly. So potential resources are the ones which are not being used by human at present, but have potential of providing great benefit if used. So in future, with the great technology, we can use their benefits. Yes, they are known as potential resources. Examples are sunlight. Yes, sunlight has the potential for meeting the world energy. Yes, so in present, we cannot use properly, but with good technology in future we can use their potential. Now student, actual resources. Actual resources are the ones which are being utilized by human. The quantities of such resources are measurable, means the resources which humans are using and the resources which can be measurable. So these resources are known as actual resources. Examples are rich coal deposits. So actual resources means quantity and quality of the resources is known by us. Yes. So I hope it's clear what do you mean by potential resources and actual resources. So student, here you can see on the basis of origin, resources can be classified as biotic and abiotic. I already mark here living and non-living. You can understand it properly. Biotic. Biotic resources comprises plants and animals that are useful to humans. Examples of such resources are forest, grasslands, livestock, etc. Living resources are known as biotic resources. Abiotic resources, which are non-living, like the materials which we used, water, minerals, power resources, all resources are known as abiotic resources. I hope it's clear. Yes, what do you mean by biotic resource and what do you mean by abiotic resources? Okay student, you can see here on the basis of distribution, resources can be classified as ubiquitous and localized. So what do you mean by ubiquitous? Let's see. Some resources exist abundantly everywhere, such as the air we breathe. These resources are known as ubiquitous resources as they are freely available to all. The resources which are present on earth abundantly, these resources are known as ubiquitous resources. Localized resources, students. So many resources are confined to certain places only, such as coal, mineral oil and iron ore. Such resources are known as localized resources. So student, we have learned about resources. What do you mean by resources? Yes, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called resource, like our water, electricity, rickshaw, textbook, all things are our resource because it satisfies our need. So thank you so much students. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt and any questions you can write here. Thank you so much everyone.